promise me this, that you'll give me all your pieces every winter, every summer, every fall. When we are far apart, or when you're near me, remind of your heart, 'cause I love you. Don't give me your love for a moment or an hour. Love me always as you love me from the start.